Hello friends, welcome. In this guide, you'll learn how to make your video text stand out with full effects. This is how cinematic text is actually made in CapCut. Not exaggerated, not complicated, just clean, professional, and expensive looking. Watch this closely, because by the end of this video, your text won't just sit on the screen anymore, it will feel alive.
Welcome to MasterItNow, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
Let's start by importing our clip into the timeline. And instead of overthinking it, we start with something simple, a default text layer. Replace the text. Choose a bold font, increase the size, and give it breathing room by spacing out the letters. Right here, the text already feels stronger, but this is where it changes. Let's go into animations. Choose the blur wipe right animation type and slow it down to 2 seconds. That delay, that's what gives it weight. Now select the text, turn it into a compound clip, and duplicate it twice. Same text, same timing, but each layer is about to do something different. Now let's hide the top layers and focus on the first one. Switch the blend mode to overlay and lower the opacity just enough for the text to feel part of the scene, not sitting on top of it. Instantly, it stops looking like text and starts feeling cinematic. Then we add a rectangle mask, adjust the size, move it into position, and isolate just 2 characters. This is the trick most people skip. Let's hide that layer, move to the second compound clip, add a horizontal mask, rotate it, and align it carefully. Same thing with the third layer, horizontal mask, rotated, repositioned. Adjust the speed until the motion feels just right for your scene. And now, when everything plays together, the text doesn't animate, it reveals itself. Clean, controlled, cinematic. This is how editors make text feel intentional, even inside CapCut. If this upgraded the way you think about text, leave a like, share it with someone who edits on CapCut, and follow for more cinematic breakdowns like this. I'll see you in the next one.